Hello dear student, welcome to Dream India School. This is my profile and in this lecture we learn about coal and petroleum. I am also told to you that about coal and coal tar, coal gas, okay, and history of coal. I hope all of you very well understood these all this topic. Okay, so today we learn about petroleum and refining of petroleum. Okay, in this lecture we learn here petroleum and refining of petroleum. Okay dear students, so let's start now your topic. First, petroleum. Okay dear students, see this, your first topic is petroleum. Before starting this topic, I'm something tell about petroleum. Petroleum, it is a dark brownish to green color viscous liquid fossil fuel. Okay dear student, it has strong foul smell due to presence of sulfur. Okay, the smell of petroleum due to the presence of sulfur containing compound in it. It is commonly called as a crude oil. Okay dear student, the economy of a nation depends to a great extent of petroleum wealth. That's why petroleum is called the black gold. Okay dear student, petroleum is called black gold. Why? Because the economic of our nation depends to great extent of petroleum wealth. Okay dear student, its name is derived from petroleum word derived from Latin words petra and oleum. Petra that means petra that means petra meaning rocks, that means rock. Petra that means rock and oleum that means oil. Okay dear students, thus petroleum literally means rock oil. Okay, that means petrol that means rock oil. Occurrence of petroleum, petrol occur at a moderate depth 500 meter to 200 meter below the two layer of impervious rock. Okay dear student, the petroleum is a lighter than its water and hence float over it. Natural gas is found above petroleum trapped between the rock cap and petroleum layers. Okay dear students, see this petroleum. Petrol is used as a fuel in light automobiles such as motorcycles, scooter and cars. Heavy motor vehicles like truck and tractor run on diesel. Petrol and diesel are obtained from natural resources called petroleum. Okay dear student, formation of petroleum. How to form petroleum? Petroleum was formed from organism living in the sea. I am also told to about petroleum, some important fact about petroleum. As these petroleum, as these organisms died, their bodies settled at the bottom of the sea and got covered with layer of sand and clay. Over millions of years, absence of air, high temperature and high pressure transformed the dead organism into the petroleum oil. Okay, this is the petroleum formation. How to petroleum form? Then you see this figure. Okay, dear student, you also see this figure in your book. Okay, and how to find out petroleum from this from the earth? Then uh, see this, the drilling drilling of petroleum, drilling of oil well, drilling of oil well. How to farm petroleum? Then you drill by drilling of oil wells. Okay, dear student, the holes is drilled in the earth crust, and when it is reached the rock cap, the natural gas come out first with a great pressure. Okay, dear student, when you dig the earth uh, by for finding uh, petroleum oil, the hole is drilled in the earth crust, and when it reach, reached the rock cap, the natural gas come out first with a great pressure. Okay, dear student, when the pressure of when the pressure of gas subs, subside, subsides, petroleum start flowing out due to the pressure of natural gas. Okay, dear student. Now, your second topic is refining petroleum. Okay, refining of petroleum. See this. Okay, see this. Just 1 minute. Yes, refining petroleum. About refining petroleum, you also know that when you find petrol, then your petroleum is a mixture of several hydrocarbons. Petroleum is a mixture of several hydrocarbons. It also it also contains water, salts, and rocky materials. It cannot because in this made form either as a fuel or a basic material. To produce to produce other useful compounds before being put put base, it has to be purified or refined. Okay, dear student, these petroleum products you not use directly before refining. Okay, dear student, so see this. Petroleum is a dark oily liquid. It has an unpleasant odor. It is a mixture of various constituents such as the petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricant oil, paraffin wax, etc. The process of separating the various constituents fraction of petroleum is known as refining. It is it is carried out in the petroleum refinery. This is the petroleum refining plant. Okay, dear student, see this. Just 1 minute. See next slide. Okay, and your sorry, and your next slide, various constituents of petroleum and their uses. Then this is your homework. You find out uses of petroleum. Okay, dear student. Okay, thank you so much.